Chapter 6, application of derivatives, approximations. Now I will explain you. For approximation, first we can use differential. इसको फाइंड करने के लिए क्या काम में लेते हैं? We can use differential to approximate values of certain quantities. Let y is equal to fx be a function then delta y is the actual change. Delta y is the actual change in y corresponding to the small increment in delta x in x. Delta y is the actual change in y corresponding to small increment delta x in x, where delta x is very small. So dy is the approximate change in y. So we have dy is nearly equal to delta y. So dy is nearly equal to delta y. So dy is the approximate change. Dy is the approximate change we have to calculate. Now see, differentials can use to calculate approximation. Differentials let function be y is equal to fx. Let function be y is equal to fx. The differential of x denoted by dx is defined by dx is equal to delta x. Second, the differential of y denoted by dy is defined by dy is equal to dy by dx into delta y. Dy by dx into, this is differential of y, this is differential of x. Exercise 6.4. Question first. Using differentials, find approximate value up to 3 decimals. Now see, first part 25.3. So it is of which type? Y, I will take y root x. ये फंक्शन किस टाइप का है? अगर 25.3 जगह पर क्या ले लिया? रूट x. Now take x is equal to 25 and small change delta x ले लीजिए 0.3. This is equation 1. Now दोनों में डेल्टा x डेल्टा वाई चेंज कीजिए, डेल्टा वाई एक्स प्लस डेल्टा एक्स, दिस इज इक्वेशन 2, सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 माइनस 1, सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए, वाई वाई कैंसिल आउट, डेल्टा वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस डेल्टा एक्स माइनस रूट एक्स. नाउ व्हाट इज x प्लस डेल्टा x? x प्लस डेल्टा x वापस यही आ जाएगा, दिस इज x प्लस डेल्टा x. So you can write delta y is equal to 25.3 minus root x. X is 25. Now transpose it. इसको इधर ही रहने दीजिए, इसको आप उधर ले जाइए तो क्या हो जाएगा 25.3 डेल्टा y, ये उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा प्लस रूट 25. Now we know that delta y is what? Delta y is nearly equal to dy, and what is the differential of dy? Dy by dx into delta x. This is the differential of dy. This is the differential of dy. Write it here. Delta y is equal to dy, and delta y is equal to this. So 25.3 dy by dx into delta x plus root 25 का क्या हो जाएगा 5. Now what is dy by dx? इसका dy by dx करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, ये y है, इसका dy by dx root x है तो क्या हो जाएगा 25.3 is equal to root x का होता है 1/2 root x into delta x plus 5. Now putting the value of root x and delta x, इसकी वैल्यू और इसकी वैल्यू आप रखिए. So root 25.3 is equal to 1/2 root 25 into delta x is 0.3 plus 5. So it is 2 into 5 into point हट जाएगा, नीचे 10 आ जाएगा plus 5. 2 5s are 10. 3/100 plus 5. So it is 0.03 plus 5. If you add it, you will get 25.3 is 5.0. 5.03 is the answer. Third part, it is given to you 0.6. 6 का स्क्वायर रूट किसके पास आएगा 66 किसके पास आएगा 8 8 जा 64. So y is in the form of root x. X you can take 0.64. 8 8 जा 64. 0.64 में डेल्टा x अगर 0.04 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं तो you will get 0.60. Yes or no? Okay. Now y plus, we can write y plus delta y. This is equation 1. X plus delta x. Equation 2. 2 minus 1. Delta y is equal to x plus delta x minus root x. So delta y is equal to x plus root x. 0.6 minus 0.64. This you transpose here. So 0.6 is equal to delta y plus 0.64. Now 0.6. What is the differential of delta y? Delta y is nearly equal to dy, and what is dy? dy by dx into delta x plus, इसका स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, इसको हटाएंगे तो ये पॉइंट हटेगा, अंडर रूट है ना. सो 0.8, 64 का 8 और 100 का 10, 8/10 is 0.8. So dy by dx, what is the differential of root x? Root x का differential क्या होता है 1/2 root x into delta x plus 0.8. Putting the values 1 upon 2 under root 0.64 into delta x minus 0.04 plus 0.8. Now, if you, what is the root of this? 0.6 is equal to 0.64 का रूट क्या होता है? अभी निकाला था 0.8. 1 upon 2 into 0.8 into माइनस आगे ले लीजिए into 0.04 plus 8. Okay. Now see here, this 2 zeros and 1 up, 0 0, and it is 2 upon 10. This is 0.8. So it will come minus, it will again cut 4. So minus 1 upon 40 plus 8 upon 10 plus 8 upon 10. If I take LCM 40, so it is minus 1, 10 plus 32 plus 32, 10 4 and 4 8 जा. So it is 31 upon 40. If you divide 31 by 4, you will get 4 7 ja 28, 3.0, 4 7 ja 28, 0, 2, 7.75, 7.75 upon 10. This 0 comes out, it becomes 0.775. 0.775 is the answer. This is the value of root 0.6. Fourth part, 0.009 to the power 1 by 3. Find the approximate value. Find the approximate value. Now you can see here it is cube root. So we have to find x in form of cube. जिसका cube बन जाए. तो 8 का cube क्या होता है? Cube root 2. और बाकी जो है वो क्या ले लेंगे? डेल्टा x. So it is y is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Now x is equal to 0.008. This and delta x you can take 0.001. If you add it, you will get this. Delta x is very small. Now, this is equation 1. Add delta y here and delta x here. You will get y plus delta y is equal to x plus delta x to the power 1 by 3. This is equation 2. Subtract 1 from 2. 2 minus 1. Delta y is equal to x plus delta x to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3. Now transpose this that side and x plus delta x is, इसकी जगह क्या आ जाएगा? 0.009. 0.009 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to delta y plus x to the power 1 by 3. Now what is delta y? इसकी जगह क्या रखते हैं? डिफरेंशियल dy by dx into delta x plus what is x? 0.008 to the power 1 by 3. So ये क्यूब रूट है, नीचे 1000 हो जाएगा. So it is 2 upon 10. It is 0.2. Okay, and dy by dx. What is the differential of this? इसका dy by dx करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? See here, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 n x n minus 1. So it is 1 upon 3x to the power, how it minus 2 by 3. So you can write 1 upon 3. इसको आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 3 x to the power 2 by 3. Now dy by dx, instead of d by dx, 1 upon 3 x की power 2 by 3 into delta x is 0.001 and it is plus 0.2. 8 upon 10, इसका 8 का क्यूब रूट 2 होगा, 1000 का 10, तो 2 upon 10 is 0.2. Now putting the values 0.009 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 x. What is x? 0.008. 0.008 means 8 upon 1000 to the power 2 by 3 into 0.001 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. Now 1 upon 3, what is cube root? इसको आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 8 upon 10 की power 3 into 2 by 3 into 0.001 plus 2. This cancel out. इधर 2 होएगा 2 upon 10. So it becomes 1 upon 4 हो जाएगा. 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12 और नीचे हो जाएगा क्या 10 into 10 100 into ये हटेगा क्या आएगा 1 upon 1000. ये 3 जीरो हट जाएंगे 3 जीरो आएंगे नीचे प्लस 0.2. Now 2 zero cut, so it is 1 upon 120 plus 2 upon 10. Now take LCM 120. Now take LCM 120. So 1 plus 12, 10 को इसे डिवाइड करेंगे 12 आएगा 12 into 2 24. It is 25 upon 120. So 25 को 12 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए 12 2 जा 24 1 नहीं है 0.0 ओके 2.08 upon 10. It means 0.208 is the answer. 0.208. Eleventh part. 0.0037 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 2. Now you can see that it is y is equal to root x power 1 by 2. Now here you can take x is equal to क्या लेंगे किसके पास है 36 के है तो 0.0036 is your x and delta x is small. Delta x is 0.001. इसमें 0.001 जोड़ देंगे तो 0.0037 आ जाएगा. This is equation 1. Y plus delta y is equal to root x plus delta x. Equation 2. 2 minus 1 we get delta y is equal to root x plus delta x minus root x. Now what is the value of this? इसकी वैल्यू क्या है ये और इसको आप इधर ले जाइए then it becomes 0.0037 to the power 1 by 2 is equal to delta y plus root x. Now what is delta y? dy by dx into delta x dot delta x plus root x. What is root x? x की वैल्यू है 0.0036. So पॉइंट हटेगा नीचे 4 जीरो आ जाएंगे. Now put what is the differential of root x? Y का differential क्या होता है? root x का 1 upon 2 root x into delta x. What is delta x? 0.001. It becomes क्या हो जाएगा 6 upon 100. 6 upon 100. 36 का 6, 10,000 का 100. 6 upon 100. Now putting the values 1 upon 2 into root x. 0.0036 into 0.001 plus 6 upon 100. Now see here, it is 1.0037 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 0.00036. इसका स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो क्या आएगा 6 upon 100. It becomes 6 upon 100 into 0.001 plus 6 upon 100. 4 zeros come down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 will cut. 2 cut हो गए. So it is 1200. 1 upon 2 6 are 12 and 2. 1200 plus 6 upon 100. Now you will take LCM 1200. So it is 1 plus 6 को इससे डिवाइड 100 को से करेंगे 12 और 12 into 6 72. It is 73 upon 1200. Now 73 को डिवाइड कर लीजिए 12 से 12 6 72 1 नहीं गया 0.0 फिर 0 लगाया 12 8 96. It is 6.08 upon 100. ये और इधर आया 204 के बाद पॉइंट 0.0608 इज द आंसर. 0.0608 इज द आंसर. Now I will take 14th part. 3.968 to the power 3 by 2. Now y is equal to x to the power 3 by 2. Here we take x is equal to 4, and how much you can subtract from 4 to get 3.968. So delta x is equal to minus 0.032. If you add in this, you will get, if you subtract 0.032 in 4, you will get 3.968. Now this is equation 1. Y plus delta y and x plus delta x to the power 3 by 2. Equation 2. 2 minus 1, we get delta y is equal to x plus delta x to the power 3 by 2 minus x to the power 3 by 2. इसकी जगह पूरे की जगह आप क्या रखेंगे 3.968 और इसको इधर ट्रांसपोज कर दीजिए x to the power 3 by 2 को. You will get 3.968 to the power 3 by 2 is equal to delta y plus x to the power 3 by 2. Use differential. Delta y is equal to dy, and the value of dy is dy by dx into delta x plus x to the power 3 by 2. Putting the values dy by dx, this is y, so we can calculate dy by dx n x n minus 1. You will get 3 by 2 x 1 by 2. This is 1 by 3 minus 2, it is 1 and upon 2. So put it here. इसको आप यहाँ रख दीजिए. This one you can put here. 3 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 into delta x. What is delta x? Minus 0.032 plus what is x? 4. 4 को you can write 2 की power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 की power 2 into 3 by 2. So this will cut. Now putting the value of x is what? 4. 4 को आप रख दीजिए 3 upon 2 into 2 की power 2 into 1 by 2. 4 की जगह रख दिया instead of 4 इसको अपन ने रख दिया 2 की power 2 minus 0.032. This is 8. This is 8. 2 का cube is 8. These two cancel out. Now this is also cancel out, this 2 and this 2. It becomes 3.968 to the power 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 into 0.032 plus 8. 0.032 plus 8. It becomes 3 minus 3 to the 6.096 plus 8. If you subtract 8 minus 0.096, you will get 7.904. 7.904. If you subtract, you will get 7.904. 8.00 में से if you this is the answer. Question 2. find the approximate value of f 2.01 where fx is given to you 4x square plus 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2. You have to find f 2.01. This is fx, so y is equal to fx. This is equation 1. In this you can take x is equal to 2 and delta x you can take 0.01. Now equation 2, y plus delta y, fx plus delta x, x plus delta x. Now this is equation 2. 2 minus 1, you will get delta y is equal to fx plus delta x, fx plus delta x minus fx plus delta x minus fx. Now what is the value of this? X is 2 and delta x is 0.01, so it is fx plus delta x is f 2.01. This transpose here, this transpose here, you will get fx plus delta x is equal to delta y plus fx plus fx. Now what is the value of this? f 2.01. Now what is delta y? Differential of delta y is dy. Dy is equal to dy upon dx into delta x plus fx. Now what is fx? What is the value of x? It is f2. How will you calculate f2? Instead of x, put x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2 in this, you will get f2 is equal to 4 into 2 chi square plus 5 into 2 plus 2. You will get 4 to the 4 for 16 plus 10 plus 2, 26 plus 2 is equal to 28. f2 is 28. Now what is dy by dx? F dash x. This is f. This is y. Now what is the dy by dx? You will calculate dy by dx. So y is given to you. I will calculate it here. Y is given to you 4x square plus 5x plus 2. So dy by dx is equal to 4 into 2, 8x plus 5, 2 का 0. Putting the values here, इसकी value and इसकी value रखिए. f 2.01 dy by dx is 8x plus 5 delta x 0.01. f2 is, this is f2 28. Now putting the value of x, इधर x की value रखिए. x क्या है? 2. So 8 into 2 plus 5 into 0.01 ब्रैकेट में plus 28. It is 16 plus 5, 21 into 0.01 plus 28. So 0.21 plus 28. This is 21 or 28.21 is the answer. Question 5. Find the approximate change. Find approximate change in surface area of cube. In surface area of cube, जिसकी साइड है x मीटर, caused by decreasing the side by 1%. Now, what is the surface area of cube? A is equal to 6 into side square. You have to find the approximate change in surface area. So what is the approximate change in surface area? that is dA. That is dA. So what is dA? Approximate change is dA. So dA with respect to side, dA by dx into delta x. This is the approximate change. Approximate change in surface area. So differentiate it with respect to x. 6 into x square. 6 तो ऐसे रहेगा. It is 12x into delta x. Delta x is what? Decrease the side by 1%. What is side? X meter. So delta x is equal to 1% of x. So it is 1 upon 100 into x, x upon 100. So it is decreasing. So we can decrease हो रहा है, decreasing. So delta x is equal to minus x upon 100. Put it here. You will get 12 into x into minus x upon 100. So it is minus 1.2 x square. Minus, it is minus 0.12 x square. Question 7. If the radius of a sphere, if the radius of sphere is 9 meter with error 0.03 meter, find approximate error in calculating surface area. So it is sphere. What is the surface area of sphere is? Area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Approximate error is dA. Approximate error is dA. So what is dA? What is the differential of dA? dA upon dr with respect to radius into delta r. So delta r here is given to you 0.03 meter and r is given to you 9 meter. So dA by dr, so it is 4 into 2 pi r into delta r. Putting the values, 4 into 2, 8 pi, what is r? 9 into delta r, 0.03. So it is, unit is r, pi r square. So point कटेगा 100. 8 9s are 72. 72 into 3, it is 216 pi upon 100 meter square. So it is 2.16 pi